Hello everyone. Do your task and if you have an emergency, press the red button. Can I go to the toilet? Not now. Time to open your task menu. Ah! Someone died in the electrical. Hey Orange, maybe you killed him. No, I'm innocent. Ah! Guys, I think we did it. Too fast. Too fast. Ah, this task. Someone died in the admin. Hey, maybe Red did it. Yes. Out, Red. I'm not the impostor. Ah! Yes, now we did it.